sound to my right side.
Angle, push.
I've got you loud and clear, how many?
On both sides?
A, half.
Now I got it. Okay, I wasn't plugged in fully. This, autopilot, and the wigwag, and we don't need the strobes. And by that, okay, everything's on. Okay, so we're showing full fuel, see? Yep. I'll wait till this goes on. What's so we'll put in the VOR. What was the designation for the VOR?
Papa X-ray Tango.
Boots up.
And walk me through your comms again, how I listen to ATIS right now.
Alright, so ATIS here is 126, so we're going to put on COM 2.
Zulu. The wind is 1503, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 20, dew point 15, altimeter 299.4. Landing and departing runway 20. Arrivals can expect vectors for a visual approach. Branded NOTAMs. Use caution for numerous birds on in the vicinity of the airport. Voluntary noise abatement procedures are in effect. Aircraft entering the Bradley Charlie class airspace or requesting flight following. Advise ground control of your destination prior to taxing for transponder assignment. Advise the controller on initial contact. You have ATIS information, Zulu.
Papa X-ray tank. Alright, so we should get a line heading south.
And walk me through how you talk on your radios again.
You just pull the trigger. That's okay. Push to talk. Oh, and here, so you can listen to another frequency while communicating with using the top button. So COM 1, COM 2, right?
Yep.
So like that. Now we're listening to COM 2 and talking on COM 1. To turn that off, you hit it again. If you want to switch both, you hit the bottom button. 2, 1. So right now, ground is 121.6. So we want to be on COM 2, correct?
That's correct.
You already switched it over to ground. Yep. Okay, tower's 119.6, and then we're going to probably put in here the departure frequency. Okay. And then the squawk, right here, just dial it in. That's it, okay? What else do you need to know?
So basically, top is so you can talk, bottom is so you can listen.
Right, so you'll see the both lights on. Yep. If you use the bottom, go back and forth. But if you want to listen, let's say we're on approach, with air traffic.
So on tower, so if we wanted to listen to what's
an ATIS, you could do that, yeah. Okay.
Got it.
Volume, and that's it. It does so much more than I don't even know how to use. All right, so go to this checklist. One spot. Did the pre-flight. Oil was checked. Fuel drained. Done. Wing mat is stowed. Check. The biggest mistake I've ever made. Leave it, it blows up. Shoulder harnesses are secure. All breakers are in. These two emergency breakers for flaps and trim. If we have a runaway trim, that's why I marked it. You pull it out. Got it. Circuit breakers checked. Air handle is down. Switches are off. We already started, so we're past this. We're past all this. Flaps at 1/3. You heard it say flaps. I set that while I was booting up. Brake pedals firm. Fuel select. We're going to start on the right tank. Mixture's rich. Actually, I'm going to lean a little bit. Running. Ram air close. Now the ram air is right here. When we're cruising, we'll pull that out. It gives us an extra inch of manifold pressure. Okay. But it bypasses the air filter, so that's why we don't do it on the ground. We're past all this. Okay. Bottle. Oil pressure. Our oil pressure good. Oil pressure's 50. Strobe lights on. I don't turn the strobes on because they take so much electrical power that at idle it drains us down. This autopilot master transponder on standby. So now that should automatically go when we speed up, but make sure you can just put it on altitude. Okay. All right, we're past this.
And ATIS Zulu altimeter's 29904.
That's right, 29904. And then we manually, so we're at 20 feet above sea level, so we'll set this one manually, my backup. Okay,
got some traffic over there.
Yep. Brakes check. So I don't know if we're waiting, we wait here and just call them. We're at the T's. Next, what is that? A beach?
It is a beach, correct. You want to give ground a call?
Yeah, give ground a call that we're at the T's next to the beach.
One ground experimental November 26 X-ray Yankee. Taxi was Zulu from the T's. We've got the Beechcraft in sight. Flight following to the southwest. Request to squawk.
Experimental 26 X-ray Yankee. Where are you going? What altitude?
8500 heading to Golf Mike Uniform.
To which Mike uniform?
Kilo Golf Mike Uniform. En route will be Papa X-ray Tango 0 VOL. We'll navigate to first.
Okay. Sparks on request, taxi to runway 20.
November 26 X-ray Yankee, taxi into 20. Departure runway works out well for us.
Did he say Charlie or had a taxi? He didn't give us a. I'm going to use taxiway Charlie.
Got the Cessna over here on the right. You should be in front of him.
Okay, let's block the canopy. Can you make sure that we don't hit the wires when I latched it? Is it latched? Push it all the way down.
It is now.
Okay, so now we test canopy's latched.
Got a rag here.
I saw that. I saw that. Okay, well, we're going to set our trims. Elevator trim. See how you can't forget that. We got to put that at 11. I'm ahead of the checklist now. Where'd my phone go? Oh, here it is.
6 X-ray Yankee, squawk 3447. Departure frequency will be 123.905.
26 X-ray Yankee, squawk 3447, 123.905 on departure.
That's correct.
Okay, so rudder trim is this little toggle here. Elevator and aileron trim is the coolie hat, which is what you'd expect, right? And when you put in flaps, you need full up trim. I mean, you feel the down pressure on the stick, you know what I mean?
And so how would I update the radio freak in here to put departure in there?
Right here. Just turn it, it'll adjust that one. The big knob is the big numbers. $123.905 you got, right?
Squawk 3447 is in.
Okay, good. We'll do our run up over here.
Copy.
What was the winds? It was just from the, it was a
1503.
Okay, let's go back to checklist 1. Okay. Brakes set. Canopy is closed and latched.
Check.
Oil temperature's above 80. It is. Throttle to 1,700. And this I do.
And Bonanza, what was the number again? Oh, 57 Quebec, okay. Taxi to runway 20. And I'll work on the code to Westville for you.
Fuel pump. Okay, and then back off. Very good. Okay. Rich. And you
taxi to Atlantic.
Did that, we did that. Magneto's check. T's, I didn't check EGTs, we'll have to do that. these are all, well, this one's a little cool, but still definitely have firing in it. Okay, let me make sure I have no, we didn't have the voice
Voice enunciator enabled. Have a nice flight.
Propeller cycle, we did that. Engine check, ammeter check. Throttle idle, standby altimeter on. Bye. Controls free and correct. Okay, so make sure I have enough room here with my stick. Okay, light instruments with that. Transponder to altitude.
And do you want it in altitude now?
Canopy's latched. Pitch set to 11 and 6. Flap set to 1/3. Yeah, you can do that, sure. Propellers forward. Valve hose tank. Boost pump is off. Take off. Reminder. Power fails. Unload the wings. Flare. Okay. Grandma. Okay, so we're exit. We're done. So go over to tower, and we're ready for departure.
Let's go see if he's coming to run him.
Gonna go around.
20 Brandon Tower, November 26 X-ray Yankee 05 to the southwest. Ready to take off.
And a 26 X-ray Yankee, Brandon Tower, hold short, landing traffic.
November 26 X-ray Yankee, hold short.
Okay, make sure your air vent is open too. It should be. Remember, it's that funny thing that's going to be really hard for you to get now that you're bolted in? I'm sure it's open. I'm sure it's open. Let's get going, and then if you have a problem, we can deal with it.
Yeah, it just wasn't aimed up at me. It was aimed straight up.
Okay, good. And it's open, right? You put your finger in there.
You can feel the air coming out of it, yeah.
Okay.
Looks like we got a passenger.
Did we get rid of our passengers?
Yeah, it's a little mosquito.
I'm surprised he's not telling us to line up and wait already.
He's got another guy beam there. I wonder if that's what he's waiting for.
Oh, we'll go before him, I think, no?
I would think so, but...
Okay. Okay, canopy's closed and latched, flap set to 10. This is my final checklist. Trim set, mixture is rich, fuel is on the fullest tank, and gear switch is down.
Copy.
Terminal 26 X-ray Yankee, runway 20, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, November 26 X-ray Yankee, switching tank.
Okay.
We got departure in COM 1.
Okay, if there's an engine failure, immediately unload the wings.
Copy.
And flare.
And you got the traffic off the departure end, you're probably going to overtake him pretty well.
Yeah, probably. I'll put my phone down here.
Yeah, we're squawking?
What?
We're squawking 3447.
Okay.
Morning, Bradley, departure.
Cylinder.
Niner 557 Quebec, at 2,000 feet. I'd like to do the 119 transition on my way to Barnes.
Angle, push.
Cylinder head.
Angle, push.
Okay, over the top is Bradley, 119 transition, towards Westfield, 576. Romeo Papa, contact near approach 124.07.
124.07 today. Departure examine on November 26 X-ray Yankee, VFR to the southwest center.
Around 26 X-ray Yankee, Bradley approach.
November 26 X-ray Yankee, go ahead.
26 X-ray Yankee, Bradley approach, ident, taking altitude.
Passing 1,000 feet, there's a flash.
6 X-ray Yankee, radar contact 1 mile southwest of Brandon Airport, belly altimeter 2994.
2994, 26 X-ray Yankee.
Number 57 Quebec, contact Bradley Tower 120.3. 120.3 for 57 Quebec.
can open up the ram air.
This one right here?
Yep.
26 X-ray Yankee, stay altitude.
26 X-ray Yankee,
26 X-ray Yankee, Roger. Be advised that Brainerd Tower just wants to let you know, do not switch over to frequency until they give you that instruction. Just they might have traffic for your other instructions.
26 is actually, thank you.
Oh, I thought he handed you off.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I said switch and he didn't say anything.
Dakota 8107 Bravo.
That's my norm, my bad, Jen.
We're 8107 Bravo, contact Brainerd Tower 109.6.
Over to tower, thank you.
I thought he handed you off. Sorry about that.
That's what I was saying about not knowing fields and everything. I'm used to once they clear you for takeoff, you switch to departure.
Gears up.
Friendly approach 5, missed the 6 of the tower. Try again, please.
905, 7K back, was that you calling Bradley approach?
Affirmative for the tower, I missed the number.
57K back, no problem. It's Bradley Tower 120.3.
Okay, I see what the problem was. I got it in the wrong bracket, sorry.
2 hours to the VOR, I think. Well, that's because we're not going very fast. We're climbing. We're on autopilot. Couldn't ask for a better day, huh?
A little haze, but it's gorgeous out.
Oh, we got our departure, so